Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see about upcoming Hyundai Santa Fe 2023 car. Santa Fe 2023 hybrid power for excellent fuel efficiency. Taking fuel efficiency to the next level, the Santa Fe hybrid features a dynamic tandem of a powerful battery-powered electric motor and a turbocharged petrol engine. Sophisticated new design. Bold exterior and interior design updates combine rugged presence with sleek sophistication to make a unique statement in the large SUV segment. State-of-the-art safety. New state-of-the-art advanced driver assistance systems and safety features bring the Santa Fe hybrid in line with competitors from the premium class. What's a hybrid? The Santa Fe hybrid is equipped with both a petrol engine and an electric motor. They work together seamlessly with the support of a powerful lithium-ion polymer battery to deliver excellent fuel economy and cut down on emissions. And as part of the regenerative braking system, the electric motor also helps slow the car, charging the battery that electrifies your drive. Hybrid efficiency. Thanks to its innovative hybrid powertrain, the Santa Fe hybrid delivers exceptional fuel efficiency. Upgraded connectivity. Stay connected and entertained. Experience the very latest in connectivity technology and features. Enjoy luxurious comfort. Discover more space, more comfort, and more convenience compared to the previous model. Safety. Enjoy optimal protection with state-of-the-art safety features and advanced driver assistance systems. 5-year unlimited mileage warranty. Like every Hyundai, the Santa Fe hybrid is built to the highest possible quality standards. And we back that quality up with a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty so you can enjoy the things you love in life, without having to worry about your car. On top of that, the high-performance lithium-ion polymer battery is warranty protected for 8 years or 160,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Enjoy the extra peace of mind that one of the industry's best warranties gives you. Santa Fe 2023 exterior. A rugged yet refined beauty. Bigger, bolder and more distinctive, the Santa Fe hybrid has been redesigned from the ground up. Combining rugged SUV looks with sleek sophistication, new design changes inside and out are making a unique statement in the segment. Unmistakably brilliant. New full LED headlamps are standard equipment and feature unique T-shaped LED daytime running lights that catch the eye in an instant. Unabashedly confident. The new taillight design features horizontally stretched graphics connected with a red reflector band to visually reinforce the width of the body. Unapologetically bold. The bold wide grille with its distinctive 3D pattern flows elegantly into the main headlamps, embracing them for a more integrated look. New 19-foot alloy wheels. Go big. You can equip your Santa Fe hybrid with dedicated 19-foot alloy wheels which reflect its dynamic hybrid powertrain. Wider, more dynamic wheel arches. Wider wheel arch claddings and new alloy wheel designs, including a 19-inch option, reinforce the strong character of the Santa Fe hybrid. Bold new front bumper design. On the lower bumper, the robust skid plate embraces the lower air intake, visually emphasizing the grille architecture. Robust aerodynamic inlets improve airflow efficiency and add a visual highlight. Hybrid badge. While the eye-catching exterior design updates are the same for all 3 powertrain versions, the hybrid proudly displays its fuel-saving credentials in the rear with a dedicated badge. Bold and distinctive exterior colors. Personalize your Santa Fe hybrid with a choice of 9 exquisite exterior colors, which have been inspired by nature. 3 new exterior colors have been added to the range for more style: glacier white, taiga brown, lagoon blue. Interior. Premium materials. Bountiful roominess. Top tech. Get inside the Santa Fe hybrid's roomy interior and you'll feel it instantly: more space, more comfort, and more convenience compared to the previous model. Experience a new level of luxury with every component finished in premium soft-touch materials or fine leather. And for the first time in a Hyundai vehicle, the Santa Fe hybrid also offers an optional luxury package for an even more sophisticated feel. Floating center console. One of the most notable features of the upgraded interior is the floating center console that flows elegantly into the leather-covered crash pad in a smooth curve. Wrapped in soft material and boasting a plethora of high-tech features, the new console accentuates the premium feel in the cabin. Dynamic fully digital cluster. The premium interior updates are rounded off by a new 12.3-inch fully digital cluster which is highly customizable. New 10.25-inch touchscreen. Everything you need, right up on the big screen. The optimally placed 10.25-inch touch widescreen offers brilliant clarity, easy usability, and smartphone mirroring. Button-type shift-by-wire. Switch between drive, neutral, reverse and park by simply using the buttons conveniently located on the floating center console. Cup holder cover. In the sleek new center console, a clever sliding lid lets you cover the second cup holder and USB port access tray for a tidier look. Console tray storage. The tray underneath the floating center console provides plenty of easily accessible storage space for personal items. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.